welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do the challenge of I tried following someone else's makeup tutorial. I'm pretty sure you probably know what I'm talking about. I'm a bit late for the party, but anyway, I decided to follow one of its Black Friday tutorials. I think she has like this very peculiar way of doing your makeup. It looks very messy when she's doing it, and it kind of reminds me of like drag queens makeup video tutorials when you're watching it and you have no idea what's going on because everything looks a little bit unfinished until the very end, and in the end it looks amazing and you're like, what the heck did just happen, because it looked a mess 5 seconds ago and now everything looks super pristine and beautiful. And she has such an iconic look that I thought it would be fun to try and follow her tutorial. So I'm gonna check one of her videos now. Okay, so when I search for Black Friday makeup tutorial, the first one that I see is Everyday Goth makeup tutorial part 2, I'm guessing, or second version. So let's see.
Hey everybody, I don't know if it will be as weird to you as it is to me, but now it's
guessing
like
she's
hanging
gonna
out
do
with
this.
family. You
Look.
know, when I make my, people always ask me how long does it take to do, and I've timed myself, and it takes about 20 to 30 minutes. And yeah, I do the
20 to 30 minutes. Okay, like that's the time I need to put lipstick on. I wish I took 20 minutes to do my makeup, but wow, that's amazing. A full face of makeup in 20 minutes. I'm jealous.
every day. If I'm going anywhere where I want to wear makeup, I do like the same thing all the time. So I thought it was about time to do an updated version of my...
Also, that's a lot of commitment to do a full face of makeup every day. I really cannot do it. I don't feel the need of doing it. I don't mind looking like what I'm looking right now, but I'm so slow doing my makeup that maybe if I could do a full face of makeup in 20 minutes, I would do my makeup every day, but I'm not sure. I mean, I do like my no makeup days. I think if you wear makeup every day, you kind of get too addicted to it until you feel like you cannot go out without your makeup, and I don't like that. I really like to show my bare face, and I like to be barefaced a lot, so I can remember that I do look beautiful with or without makeup, and that I don't need makeup, if you know what I mean. But kudos to her if she does this every day, that again. But in 20 minutes, I mean, wow, that's a lot of practice, I guess.
My first ever video, I'm going to apologize for the fact that you have to see my face without makeup on it to start.
No!
I really am, but these things must be done. You have to break a few eggs to make
No.
it on. So here we go.
Again, that's what I was saying. If it's not makeup that makes you beautiful. You already look beautiful, girl. With or without makeup, don't say stuff like that. It really kind of makes me sad, but it bothers me a bit because, again, it's not the makeup that makes you beautiful, and you're saying that to a lot of people. You should really, you know, kind of propagate self-love.
Let's begin.
But let's do it.
The horror. I start by
She looks adorable. I mean, oh, okay, wait a second. This is already going very too fast. Pore filler, I do have that. NYX pore filler, and I have to grab it. I'm sorry if I'm constantly changing positions during this video, probably because I'm gonna get up a lot of times, so bear with me a second. Okay, pore filler, I got it. I usually use the pore filler just in certain areas, but I'm gonna trust you, Black Friday, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face.
I spend the longest time putting foundation on. I apply it with a knockoff beauty blender with a rapid patting motion, using the pointed end for getting into all the parts around the nose.
Alright, knockoff beauty blender. I have the Real Technique sponge, and she's using the Ilamasqua foundation in white. I do not have the white foundation, but I do have Ilamasqua foundation. This is the Rich Liquid foundation, which I actually don't like because it's so freaking thick, and I never use it. But I'm gonna try and use it today, just because it's the same brand she's using. And I'm gonna try and mix it probably with some white face paint that I have here, and let's hope for the best. Okay, I'm gonna try and add some white face paint on top. This sponge as well, because why not? I seriously could not plan for a worse start. The mixture of the Illamasqua foundation with the white face paint was not working. It was looking so cakey. It actually started lifting and flaking out of my skin. It was disgusting, so I had to remove everything and start over again. Not that I went too far anyway with the makeup. So I used this NYX eyeshadow base in pearly white, and I put it all over my face, and then I used the Illamasqua foundation on top. And it's not pure white, but I think it's very similar, and my skin actually looks kind of decent. And I already powdered my face because I saw that on her video she powders her face with a white powder, and I usually set my face with the Lunatic Labs mattifying powder, but for the life of me I cannot freaking find it, so I just use this Makeup Revolution Ghost Light. This is supposed to be a highlighter, but as a highlighter it's shit, really. It has a skull, so it's cute. So it actually turns out that it's a pretty okay powder to set your foundation with. It's not going to be a matte finish if that's what you're looking for. It has some radiance to it, but I kind of like it. Anyway, moving on.
I also put white grease paint on my neck, chest and ears. I use a matte grey eyeshadow and narrow...
Wait a second, okay. I need to probably remove my necklace first, then do this part. Okay, white skin done. Let's go.
Fluffy brush to make it look like I have cheekbones. I also contour along my jaw.
Okay, so she's doing her contour with a grey eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Perfect Filter NYX palette, and this is like a super true grey right there, so let's try that out. And she just goes super generously on her, like, the lower cheeks. So let's do the same. Okay, next.
Same matte grey as before.
Okay, matte grey all over the lid. So I'm gonna use the same grey from the Perfect Filter palette. So I'm gonna use a big brush.
Then I put white or occasionally another colour on my lids.
Okay, still, okay, so the grey is just really all over the eye. No problem. Okay, so then she puts white on her lids. So I'm gonna use the Concrete Minerals eyeshadow. It's loose eyeshadow, and this is called Confession. Confession is the name. Let's see what's next. Okay, no, she's wearing eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, but she's saying she also can do it with a pencil. She's going above her crease. Great. Something like that, right? Okay. This is harder than I thought. Alright, let's go.
Then comes the eyebrows. I regularly shave my natural eyebrows completely off and keep that area smooth.
Okay, that was one thick eyeliner pen. I don't have anything that thick, so I'm gonna go with my pencil as well. I noticed that their lines here are blended a little bit, so I'm gonna go in and blend them. Let me watch that again, because this is like the critical part.
I regularly shave my natural eyebrows completely off and keep that area smooth.
She doesn't go super high, she just goes super long, I guess. So let's... Okay, I think I'm really failing at achieving her eyebrows. Yeah, it's weird because when she's drawing them, she looks like she's doing an arch, but then when she's looking at the camera, they look really straight, and mine look really arched. I'm confused! Why don't mine look the same? I really tried, but this is like the closest I can get, which is not very close, but I also have to realize that our face shape is different, so yeah, obviously it's not gonna look exactly the same, but I tried my best. So now she's doing a super chunky eyeliner. I'm gonna use my favorite eyeliner at the moment, which is the Epic Ink eyeliner. Dude, my eyeliner just broke in my fucking eye. Look at this. Oh shit! I swear this tutorial is cursed. I'm gonna zoom you in, so look at this fucking mess. What the? Okay, cleaned. Let's start again. I don't know what happened to the freaking pen. I don't even know where I put it anymore, but it just freaking bursted, like squirted a bunch of eyeliner on my eye, and it was freaking painful. I'm just gonna use it what I have closest, which is this matte liquid liner, also by NYX. Please don't hurt me. It turned out alright. Let's see what she does next.
I take a waterproof eyeliner and create sharp points on my inner eyes, leaving a space open.
Okay, I'm just gonna use the same eyeliner. I don't think I have a waterproof one. Is this waterproof? I don't think so. Let's connect the dots then. Alright, I think it looks pretty similar. I can't believe she does this in 20 minutes. I've been doing this for like 2 hours. No joke.
Then a very fine liquid liner to create sharp points on my eyebrows. I am basically not breathing while doing this. The cat eye. I also brush on bottom lashes.
Bottom lashes.
Thick black eyeshadow pencil is good for filling out the cat eye shape.
Oh, okay. Thicker cat eye and connected to this fake lid that we created earlier. So I'm just gonna go with the pencil. Turning out alright. Okay, so what's next?
I line my waterline with either a soft white or red pencil. My white is all gone, so I'm just using red.
Okay, waterline with white or red pencil. She did red, so I'm also gonna do red. I'm gonna use the jumbo pencil from NYX as well. This is actual lid pencil, but I'm gonna use it on my eyes because you're not the boss of me, NYX. And I used it on my eyes already, and it's fine. I would advise you to test it out first if you're not sure.
Then put glue on a pair of false lashes. While the glue sets, I do my lips. Black lipstick is my stand.
Okay, black lipstick, but first put some lash glue on some lashes. While the glue on my lashes is also drying, I'm gonna map out my lips. Let me take the foundation from my... This is like a Wet n Wild pencil. It's the same one I've been doing for everything. I don't have a black lip pencil. I usually use matte lipsticks, so I don't really need to map it out or use a pencil for it. So okay, so I mapped out my lips and it took forever, so I'm guessing this is already dried, and I'm gonna put on some lashes. Okay, lashes are done. The glue is still drying, but let's move on to the next step. I'm guessing she's gonna put on some lipstick now.
Then fill them in with lipstick.
Okay, I actually have this exact same lipstick, which is NYX Liquid Suede in Alien, which is this one low here. And it's not a really matte lipstick, so it makes sense that you would outline your lips first. Well, it does make all the difference when you have your lipstick on.
False eyelashes get stuck on.
Already done that.
And then the final touch.
Alright, so she does a little beauty mark right here. Okay guys, I am done, and my cat, where are you going? You wanna be on the video, or are you just gonna ruin my makeup? Okay, so I'm actually super happy I did this video. Where is she going? Okay, so I'm gonna talk with a cat butt on my shoulder, and that's how it's gonna be now. Oh, you're gonna just stay there? Just, yeah, that's the comfiest place to be. Alright? Okay, gonna go? No, she's just gonna stay. Alright, no, she's gonna go. Ah! No, my shoulder! Great, she just wants to scratch herself, but... Oh, thank you. Alright, oh, yeah, my scratch back, that's amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. This was super fun to do. I was super stressed out and disappointed right at the beginning. I thought I was just gonna quit and screw this video because I was not able to get the foundation right, and still my skin looks like a complete mess. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but it looks like shit. But yeah, it's fun to try different techniques, seeing other people do it. Like, we watch a lot of tutorials, but I really like this challenge because it actually forced people to go step by step and follow a tutorial, and it was fun and I feel good. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you Black Friday for sharing your makeup tips and for your very entertaining videos. And I hope I see you on my next video. If you don't follow me already, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I wish you all a very good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.